For over a century, cast iron built cities, and in many places, it's still doing that today. So if cast iron works so well, why change it? Because underground, things move. The ground shifts. Traffic loads above the surface. Temperatures rise and fall. Pressure cycles every day. And over time, all of that adds up. Cast iron was incredibly strong, but it wasn't very forgiving. It didn't flex under stress, and neither did many of the joints used in early systems. So when the ground moved or pressure changed, the system had limited ability to absorb it. Engineers didn't want to abandon cast iron. They trusted it. It had proven itself for generations. But they needed something that could survive underground movement better, without losing strength. That search led to ductile iron. Introduced in the late 1940s, ductile iron changed the internal structure of iron itself. Through changes in the manufacturing process, engineers were able to create a material that could absorb stress and flex slightly, instead of cracking as easily. And underground, that difference is huge, because now the pipe can handle soil movement, installation stresses, pressure changes, and vibration from traffic above, without failing as easily as traditional cast iron. But ductile iron didn't eliminate every problem. Corrosion still matters. Soil conditions still matter. Installation quality still matters. And over time, age still matters. Because underground, nothing lasts forever. Today, ductile iron is still one of the most widely used water pipe materials in the world. With coatings, linings, and protective systems, it can provide decades of reliable service. And in many cities, new ductile iron is installed right alongside older cast iron systems, sometimes only a few feet away. And that's what's interesting about infrastructure. It doesn't replace itself overnight. It builds on top of what was already there, each generation improving what came before it, instead of starting from scratch. But even with stronger iron, one problem never really went away: corrosion. And over time, that pushed engineers to look for something completely different. Something lighter, something smoother, something that wouldn't rust the same way. Plastic. PVC. And that's where we go next. Welcome back to Under Pressure Underground.